Looking for a family-friendly resort near Walt Disney World that offers more than just a place to sleep? Today, we're exploring Calypso Cay Resort in Kissimmee, Florida, a tropical getaway packed with pools, water slides, spacious suites, and fun activities for the whole family. Whether you're planning a Disney vacation, a Universal Orlando adventure, or simply a relaxing Florida escape, Calypso Cay Resort might be exactly what you're looking for. Let's take a closer look. Located just minutes from Disney World, Calypso Cay Resort combines the comfort of a vacation home with the amenities of a full-service resort. The Caribbean-inspired design, palm trees, and tropical atmosphere make it feel like you've escaped to an island paradise while still being close to all of Orlando's biggest attractions. One of the things guests love most is the spacious accommodations, making it easy for families to spread out and relax after a busy day at the theme parks. Calypso Cay offers 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom, and 3-bedroom suites. Each suite includes features that make longer stays much more convenient, including full kitchens, separate living areas, dining spaces, and even washers and dryers. For families, having a kitchen means saving money on meals, while the extra living space gives everyone room to unwind after a day of adventure. The larger suites can comfortably accommodate bigger families or groups traveling together, making Calypso Cay a great alternative to booking multiple hotel rooms. Now let's talk about one of the biggest highlights of the resort, the pool area. Calypso Cay features 3 heated outdoor pools, making it easy to enjoy the water year-round. The star attraction is the resort's Waterslide area, featuring slides that add a mini water park experience to your stay. There are also 2 hot tubs where adults can relax while the kids continue splashing around. Surrounded by tropical landscaping and plenty of lounge chairs, it's easy to spend an entire day enjoying the Florida sunshine without ever leaving the resort. When you're ready for a break from the pools, Calypso Cay offers plenty of activities. Families can challenge each other on the 18-hole miniature golf course, one of the most popular attractions on property. There's also a splash pad that offers parents a break while little ones can play on their own. Sports lovers can enjoy the basketball court, while fitness enthusiasts can stay active at the resort's fitness center. There truly is something for every age group here. When hunger strikes, guests can grab a bite at the poolside tiki bar and grill, or stop by the on-site market. The market offers Starbucks coffee, pizza, snacks, ice cream, breakfast items, and vacation essentials you may have forgotten to pack. There are also outdoor grilling stations and picnic areas throughout the property, perfect for a family cookout during your stay. If you're searching for a resort near Disney that offers spacious accommodations, affordability, multiple pools, family activities, and a great location, Calypso Cay Resort is definitely worth considering. Have you stayed at Calypso Cay Resort before? Let me know your favorite part in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and follow along for more Florida travel guides, hotel tours, and vacation tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next adventure.